Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to disable the web search in Windows 10. This is pretty simple, because sometimes it can be very annoying when I search for a program, but the web search only suggests results from the search engines. To do this, I click on the Windows button and select Settings. In the search field I type Windows Defender and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now I click on Advanced Settings, switch to the Outbound Rules tab, and now I go to the entry Windows Search. I double click on it, and in the tab General, I select Block the connection for my action. Now I have to apply the change, and with that we are done. I try this again so that you can see that it worked. And as we see, there is no connection possible anymore. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!